Welcome beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, I'm your girl Katashi, and today I'm going to show you how I make my steamed fish. So over here we have our dry ingredients. We have some home ingredients I blend up, our jerk season and our fish seasoning. We have some carrots and pumpkin here. We have all our seasoning mixed into one. We have some sweet pepper, onions, scallion, thyme, garlic, tomato, and your pepper. We have our okra. And over here we have our Irish. So, come go cook now. You're just going to pour all the seasonings on the fish and then give that a rub. Open the fish up and rub it in its belly. Rub it in the slices that I have cut. We are now going to let this marinate for about 15 minutes and then come back. Now I'm about to add the carrot and the pumpkin to this. So I'm going to leave this to cook for about 10 minutes. So now I'm about to add my pumpkin mix. I don't want the noodles in there, so all I want is the liquid. We're going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes and then come back. Just going to give this a little taste. Just right. It doesn't need anything. So now we're going to add our fish. Here we go, adding our fishes to this. You want to take the gravy up and put it on the fish, like this. You're going to let this simmer on low heat. You don't want to burn the steamed fish. So there you have it, guys. Steamed fish my way. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to also to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.